Welcome to this explainer. Look, today we're doing a complete operational teardown of a pretty crucial business component, understanding the different types of logos in graphic design and exactly how modern companies are actually acquiring them. We aren't here to look at art today. We're here to talk efficiency. We're going to see how professional designers and smart companies benchmark their creative workflows, and we'll do this by analyzing a really successful Fiverr Pro agency model, specifically the top-rated Black Dot Design Studio framework. It's all about how to grab premium corporate identity packages without all that traditional corporate bloat.
So, here's our quick roadmap for today. We've got scaling creative production, types of logo designs, essential vector deliverables, mitigating hiring risks, and, finally, protecting brand equity.
Starting right off with Section 1, scaling creative production workflows and how we're shifting from fixed to flexible.
You know, for any business decision maker, preserving your operational capital is honestly just as important as producing a stunning visual identity. Just think about the heavy reality of building internal departments. You're eating heavy payroll taxes, you're paying monthly subscriptions for really expensive software licenses, and you're stuck in prolonged onboarding periods before any real work even gets off the ground. But by outsourcing to an established agency model, you literally remove those hiring friction points overnight. You get flexible, fixed costs, immediate deployment, and absolutely zero internal overhead. It's a total game changer.
And check this out, $25. That is the literal baseline cost for a starter pack from the highly rated Black Design Agency. For a business, this means incredibly predictable cost modeling before a single pixel is even pushed. You know exactly what the financial outlay is going to be up front with absolutely no surprise hourly overages.
When you're auditing your own pipelines, just evaluate this breakdown of deliverables. For that baseline cost, you're getting 2 basic concepts, 4 distinct rounds of revisions, 3D mockups, all your necessary vector source files, and a social media kit. And the whole shebang is delivered in 2 days with 24/7 support. The sheer operational efficiency of this marketplace model completely outclasses traditional hourly billing, where, let's be honest, you might pay hundreds of dollars just for the initial brainstorming phase.
Moving right along to Section 2, types of logo designs and standardizing corporate deliverables.
Look, to successfully outsource, you absolutely have to speak the language of standardizing deliverables, because asking a designer for just a logo is going to get you pretty chaotic results. By clearly categorizing these offerings into monogram, wordmark, pictorial, and geometric styles, the agency sets firm professional expectations. If you're out there buying corporate identity packages, identifying exactly which of these specific types of logos in graphic design fits your brand ethos is your first major step to completely eliminating scope creep.
And this recent 5-star review perfectly highlights the real-world ROI here. The client secured a strong outdoor logo with a rugged premium feel, and that instantly translated into tangible merchandise like apparel, patches, and adventure gear. That's the real value of understanding your design categories and having them executed by a pro.
All right, Section 3, essential vector file deliverables. This is really the hallmark of scalable enterprise work.
Now, a great design is pretty much useless if you can't actually apply it to your business, right? So let's define this technical requirement clearly. A vector file is a highly scalable digital graphic format that can be resized infinitely without any loss of quality. It uses mathematical equations instead of fixed pixels. For you, this means having a clean, standardized structural design workflow. Your corporate visual identity is going to stay incredibly crisp, and it will never pixelate, whether you print it on a tiny business card or stretch it across a massive highway billboard.
Plus, you're guaranteed the complete commercial suite of files: AI, EPS, SVG, PSD, PDF, PNG, and JPEG. This means your web developers get their transparent PNGs, your social team gets their standard JPEGs, and you hold the raw Adobe Illustrator files for total ownership. You're basically getting a full Adobe-certified team workflow delivered right to your inbox, completely bypassing the need to buy those expensive software licenses internally.
Okay, Section 4. Mitigating inherent hiring risks and securing premium enterprise support.
You know, one of the biggest hesitations B2B decision makers have with digital outsourcing is quality control and reliability. But the hidden ROI with these platforms is actually the lifelong support. As this user noted, even when corporate directions pivot months later, a top-tier professional agency model provides priority customer support and extreme flexibility. Seriously, try going back to a traditional brick-and-mortar ad agency 6 months later for a free revision. It just doesn't happen.
So these 3 safety nets act as your ultimate operational shield. Number 1, you bypass costly HR compliance and onboarding. Number 2, you utilize unlimited revisions, meaning the meter isn't constantly running every time you tweak a color or a font.
And number 3, you can rely on a total refund guarantee from the platform itself. This kind of infrastructure lets businesses take what used to be massive fixed overhead and convert it into completely risk-free, flexible project expenditures.
And finally, Section 5, protecting enterprise brand equity and securing your market position.
Ultimately, securing your market position starts with how the market actually perceives you. A custom, timeless design establishes a permanent image in the minds of your customers, and it makes your brand really stand out from the competition. Investing in enterprise-grade execution is absolutely the most aggressive and effective way to protect your long-term brand equity. You aren't just buying a graphic here, you are literally buying permanent mental real estate in your target demographic's mind.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final, provocative thought. I want you to look closely at your own commercial graphic design outsourcing pipelines today. Ask yourself, are your current creative workflows actively scaling your brand's equity, or are they slowly, quietly draining your operational capital? If it's the latter, it might just be time to benchmark against the models we explored today and secure your market position once and for all. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to analyze your own systems this week.